right, here we are going to graph each inequality for the first set of problems. So for number 1, we need to read this, and it says x is greater than -7. So remember, this symbol here means greater than. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to -7 on our number line, and we need to put a circle there. I'm going to start with it open, so always make it open first, and then if you need to close it, you can. So here we need to decide the greater than symbol. Do I need to close my circle? So ask yourself, does the number that the circle is on, so in this case -7, does -7 make the inequality true? Is -7 greater than -7? And the answer there is no. So we are not going to close in this circle because -7 does not make the inequality true. Now we need to do some shading. So greater than, we need to shade all of the numbers that are greater than -7. So that means bigger than -7. So over here we're going to shade to the right because all the numbers to the right here are bigger than -7. So you're going to shade the whole way and then put an arrow on the end. All right, number 2, 4, now we need to read the symbol, is less than or equal to n. So again, we're going to start at 4. We're going to put an open circle on 4. Start with the open circle. Now we need to decide, should I fill it in? So does 4 make the inequality true? Is 4 less than or equal to 4? And the answer is yes, because 4 equals 4. So since 4 makes the inequality true, we need to fill in the circle. And now we have to figure out which direction to shade. So here we want numbers. It says 4 is less than or equal to n. So let's say we pick 0. Is 4 less than or equal to 0? No. So I'm not going to shade this way. I'm going to shade this way, over here. Because these numbers make the inequality true. Look, 6. Is 4 less than or equal to 6? Yep. So over here, these numbers make the inequality true. These ones do not. Now we're kind of going to go the opposite way. We're going to be given a graph, and we need to write an inequality that matches the graph. So this first one, we have an open circle on -2, and our shading is to the right. So our shading is on numbers that are bigger than -2. So we're going to say that x is greater than, we're not going to put the or equal to because we have an open circle, -2. And then double check yourself. Pick a number in the shading. 4. Is 4 greater than -2? Yes. Let's try another one. Is 0 greater than -2? Yes. Let's try -2. Is -2 greater than -2? Nope. That's why it's not filled in. So we're perfect. We've got that going on. Number 4, again, we want to look and say, okay, this time we have a closed circle, so 1 is included, and our shading is all the numbers that are less than 1. So here this would be x is less than or equal to 1. Because all the numbers over here make the inequality true. So let's try it. Is -3 less than or equal to 1? Yep. Is -7 less than or equal to 1? Yep. Is 1 less than or equal to 1? Yep. So does our inequality match the graph?